like sparklers that are huge for little kids, Chris. Didn't you guys buy like 90?
Yeah, we did. There's only 4 of them though.
Oh my eyes. It's because of the little thing.
Chris, you lighting off one right now? Go ahead.
Yeah. And the light, it hurt my eyes. It was like,
that's the fire.
I'm gonna help you guys clean up tomorrow.
Here, Chris.
Okay?
Oh, look at Chris. Hey, that's a good one.
Oh, the fire hydrant. I was excited for that one.
This is actually really good. I mean,
Yeah,
it was
I
last
like
year.
this one. Oh, that one's good.
And then the top first. The top first.
Are all these fireworks from last year? So, did you guys get the same fireworks from last year?
Yeah, some of them. Yeah, we got some new ones.
Okay.
Wow, yay!
I can't see. There's one right here.
Where's your guys' wheel?
Crystal has it.
Shine the light on her, baby. You got the flashlight.